Hi creator, I'm literally working in, I have a work, I don't want to say, I have a project in progress. So I thought I'd hop on and finish it with you. Actually, basically just started. I've just got it organized. So I thought I'd share with you what I'm doing and talk a little bit about my new kits I have available in the VIP group at a super great discounted price. So if you're not a designer, you can ask to join my VIP group for those awesome deals. Okay, so I gotta see how my camera is because I had to, oh, it looks pretty good. Awesome. Say hello if you're watching. And we'll get started on this project I've got organized here. And oh, I need my jar openers to hold up my, maybe it'll stay up there. I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Hi Kellyanne, how are you today? I guess it says Sherry's watching and Molly's watching, so say hello. Just kind of got a project organized and I'm getting ready to start chalking, so I thought I would share it with you. Hi Denise. You can't see what I'm working on underneath, so let me back up a little bit. I have these little wooden unfinished tags, so I just watered down some brown chalk paste and put that on here because I'm going to chalk a couple words on here, you'll see, and I used some wax over that chalk paste just to seal that in a little bit so it's ready to go when I chalk that a little bit later. So I got to put my wax away. Good morning, Joanne. Hi, Vicky. I just organized a project and I'm getting ready to start chalking, and I thought I would share with you as I go along. So I think I have it figured out in my head, so we'll see if it works. First, I'm going to get this mess out of my desk. Over in my VIP group, we're doing some little board and base kits. You're going to get the transfer, 2 paste packet colors, and ribbons and little embellishments pieces. And most of them, I only have one of each of these. I have 2 TGIF, this Grandma's Fabulous. I have 2 of those, which I do have a sample of that. So you can turn this board around and switch them out. And I got, so this one's gonna have this gray and white striped ribbon. Hope you can see that, to tie around. And a little pink flower or sunflower I pick out. I'm going to pick out the ribbon and the embellishments on all of them. And so all you have to do is attach everything, something like that. Okay, so you're going to get a board and base, which is one of these, and you can turn them whichever direction the transfer needs it. So here I did the grandma one, and then I did the cupcake just to show you. When you do chalk on these, you want to set them up just a little bit higher to allow for space for the board to set down in the tray here. So make sure that you design it a little bit higher up than centered. So raise it up just a little bit so then it's centered once you get it on there. Okay. Otherwise, you're going to get some embellishments, mini squeegee, 2 packets of paste, everything you need to complete a project. And I have a little video about this. I think I posted it on my regular Odessa Rose page, but I know it's in my VIP group. So if you're not a member, just ask to join. So we have 2 of these TGIF, this Grandma's Fabulous. And then I have 1 of each of these. So it's first come, first serve, which one you want. Don't quit your daydream. Everything is possible. There's the grandma one, the second one. This is a cut apart transfer that you can design how you want to lay it out. I have mixed drinks about feelings. A little play on words there. When in doubt, add glitter. Actually, I can. It's a good one. Great for like a graduation gift. And I mean, you can buy these as gifts. I'll even mail them to the person that is to receive it and put a little note in there if you'd like me to. Or you can get the kit and make it yourself and then give that as the gift. But I think it'd be fun to give the kit as a gift. Whether it's Mother's Day, birthday, graduation, or maybe you just want to learn how to chalk and you're bored and you want something to do. So this is You've Got This, another great graduation or mom. Awkward since forever. And there's that Hey There cupcake. This is another little cut apart. It's a little lamb and it says I love you, EWE, more. And these are cut apart so you can design how you want on your board. This is another little baseball one. These are also cut apart. So there's lines where you cut them. So you can lay out the words and the bat and ball and glove how you want. Swing for the fences, and it says play ball. This is the chill out. This is really pretty in an ombre effect. I got it from my mama. It's a cut apart with some different hearts. And then I'm not adulting today. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. Okay. So those are available in kits on my VIP page. You're going to get the squeegee, the 2 chalk paste, and embellishments. So if you're not a member and you're not a designer, ask to join. And we'll get you in there. So let's set these all apart. I sold all my other kits. Plus another one. I ran out of the Enjoy the Little Things. So we're going to do, she's taken the Together is Our Favorite Place to Be. I have one more of these also. I could make into a kit for someone if they're interested in that. That's also in my VIP group. Okay, you'll get transfer, paste, embellishments, and a squeegee. All right, let's get started. These are paste packets. That's what comes in the kits. And we'll get those out of the way. All right, underneath this mess, we're working on several different transfer pieces. A little bit of scrapbook paper. The typewriter. We're going to take the words good day from here. And we have a hello. And then we're going to take the hi, H-I, out of the typewriter also. So this is what I'm working on. This is a chalkboard tag sign. I got this at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I think they have more of them. I think they still carry them is what I'm trying to say. But and then along the bottom, I'm going to put, this is a pattern from our Christmas trees. It's a little plaid. I'm going to put that across the bottom. Then we're going to lay this piece of scrapbook paper right in here. I have a little corner piece to finish that off. We'll Mod Podge that on, and then I'll wax it. Then we're going to lay the typewriter right in here. Okay. It won't be all the way on. It's going to be about 3/4 on. And then we're going to put hello right here on the scrapbook paper. And then on the tag, we're going to put good day. And I'm trying to figure out what I want to put on there. I didn't want to overly feminine as far as a flower, but maybe a star or something. So trying to figure that out. And then that'll all be tied together up in here. And we'll do some ribbon and whatnot. I haven't even got my ribbon out yet, so I haven't got that far. But let's get started on chalking this. I took my color palette off of this scrapbook paper, which is like newspaper print, if you can see it, along with some other stuff. It's really pretty. It's a very gray blue background. You can't really see the color very well on the camera, but it's kind of a dirty gray blue with some like gray ink on it, and it's got this little bit of kind of a brick color up in here. So I'm going to pick that color, the blues, the grays. We're going to use some gold on the typewriter. So these are my color palettes. I'm going to be using. Hi, Joyce. Hi, Jill. Hi, Faye. Joanne, Vicky. I said hi to all of you. Say hello, hello. Okay, so I got gold shimmer, eucalyptus, storm, and brick. Brick is a retired color from a long time ago, but I still mix it in this jar. I use some red and bark, the brown color, to make a brick color. Okay. So we're going to put the storm in our plaid right here. And you notice the pattern doesn't quite go all the way across, but I kind of wanted to line my diamonds up so they center in this area. And this part will be covered by the paper, so I'm not really worried about that. So I kind of have my diamonds right in here. And I just masked it off so I don't get any chalk up. I want a definite line of the pattern. So I just put some painter's tape across it. All right, let's just do this. I'm super thirsty. I'm having to take my allergy medicine because it's spring and I didn't used to have to fight allergies, but now I do. I just added a little bit of water to my storm. It was just a little thick. So this is chalk paste. So it dries out fairly quickly if you don't keep it hydrated. So it's always a good idea to go through your paste every now and then if you're not chalking on with some of the colors and rehydrate them so they don't turn hard. All right, let's just take a mini squeegee here and put on the storm color in our plaid. It's gonna be across the bottom. I really don't need to go all the way across because that's where the paper is gonna be going. So we always like skim it down thin, take the extra and put it back in the jar so we don't waste any. And then we can pick up our transfer. And we got that pattern across the bottom. And then we will wash this paste off and reuse it later. I don't know if I'll use it again till the holiday season, but that's what's fun about all our transfers. You can intermix them and use parts of them for other projects, even if they're seasonal. So I have a pan of water down there. I'm gonna plop that in. Hi, Tonda. How are you? All right, I'm gonna dry this because now we're gonna apply the Mod Podge on the paper and glue that on. Hi, Steve. Oh, gosh. Ooh, there we go. There's just a little bit of bleed through. I'm just going to scratch it off. Let's see. I think I need I like these kind of Q-tips. They have a point on one end and a flat on the other end. I want to use the point, but I want to get it just a little bit wet so I can remove that little bit of chalk in my plaid that I don't want there. Sometimes I don't care about that stuff, but this, I want it to be nice and crisp. There. That looks a little bit better. Okay. Move on. Let's get a piece of cardboard out, because I'm going to apply that Mod Podge on the back of this. We're going to lay it right here. I'm not tearing the edge, I don't think. Or do I want to tear the edge? That's the question. We're going to lay the we're going to put the hello over it on the side. And we're going to put our typewriter right in here with the word hi on it. And then we're going to hang this tag up in here somewhere. It's going to say good day. So they're all like greetings. Good day, hi, hello type of thing. Okay. So the question is, do I want to, I think maybe I will tear the edge. This is pretty rigid and geometric, and then this might soften it up just a little bit. So I'm going to tear it. Now I'm taking just a teeny bit, tearing it, and I'm tearing it up from the print side, so I have this little white exposed edge, which I will wax with stain wax to darken it and age it, just like the paper has that aged look to it, vintage look. So, hi Vicky. Vicky's got some happy mail coming her way. No, not you, Vic. That's a different Vicky. I have so many Vickies that watch me. Another Vicky ordered one of my Enjoy the Little Things kits. But if you just jumped on, I got some new little kits on the VIP page at a discount price. Ready ship with chalk paste, mini squeegee, embellishment, some ribbon, everything you need to complete it. Okay, we teared this edge, and this little piece I had to go up here, so I need to tear that edge also. Gonna have to have a little seam. Chalkboard's longer than 12 inches, so I have to piece it right there, and something like that. I guess I didn't cut that corner off. I'll do that afterwards, because I can do that with a blade on the back side. Okay. Let's get our Mod Podge out. Ugh. And I need a brush to brush it on. So I put a pretty good coating on this because you want it to stick pretty well to the chalkboard, right? So, oh, I forgot to wax it. Dang it. The reason why I want to wax first is because I want that stain to go into the edge. And if you Mod Podge and the Mod Podge seeps out, it's going to seal in that paper and you're not going to be able to get the stain in it. So I might be able to stain it with the distressed ink. Let's just see what happens. I got ahead of myself. Imagine that. Okay, so this just goes right up against the edge. I'm bringing it slightly in because I sanded the edge of the board. So I kind of want that sanded edge to be exposed. So I'm just going to still show that. Okay, I'm going to press all the air bubbles out. This is where the Mod Podge seeps out and might get on the edge of my paper. And then that seals it, and then I won't be able to stain it, which is what I'm bummed about, that I didn't do that first. I can do it to this one. And what I'm talking about is applying this stained wax to the edge of the paper. Are you following me, everybody? Trying to work quickly so I don't bore you. Okay, so now I'm just rubbing it on the little corner that's going to go up on the top. And then apply some Mod Podge to the back. Hard to pick up this teeny piece. And we'll piece that in. It matches really well right in there. Let's see if I can get any stain on the edge since I Mod Podged it. I'm going to wax the whole board, including the paper, because I'm going to put that Hello transfer on it. Do you think I need a new rag? I don't know. It's getting close. It's getting close. So even if I had already had waxed this, then I wouldn't have to be necessarily doing it. Although I do want to put some wax over here. So it's not taking the stain very well because of the Mod Podge, but I'm going to try darken it up a little bit. Kind of thought of this design when I was laying in bed last night. Couldn't fall asleep. And I had this idea. So usually I need to do it the next day or I might forget. Anybody else have those problems? Sometimes I have to write stuff down so I don't forget. Design ideas, that is. Okay, let's put some wax in here. Waxing over the chalk down here and everything. Just gonna wax it all. Okay. Put that away for now and put this away. Any questions? All right. So when this gets really dry, I will turn this over and trim off this extra paper with an X-Acto knife. So we'll wait for that to get hard so it doesn't tear the paper. All right. Let's set in the Hello, which I'm going to have to do that in black. I didn't pull out black yet. I think that's going to be a good color choice. I had an old project on this and a holiday, and I decided to change it up. So I had them for sale, and they weren't the best. They were from, you know, when I first started chalking, and I feel like I've gotten a little bit better designer since then. So I cleaned it all off and doing a different one. Okay. So we're going to put that Hello on here, and mainly you want to make sure that it is even or level or plumb, I should say. Right. It's hard to tell and you can't see it, but trying to get it centered this way too. So the edge of my paper is right there. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna see if it looks kind of straight that way and down all on this edge. I think it's straight. There's the eye. If I see the light through the edge of the board, that helps me line it up. I feel like it needs to go just a little bit that way. That helps doing that. There. Good trick. All right, let's take a squeegee. I'm making sure there's no air pockets and it's pressed down so we have a nice print after we get our chalk paste on there. Skim it down, get all the extra off, otherwise it just goes down the drain. Let's pick up the hello. Little bleed out right there, which is another good reason why to wax, because with the wax under it, that chalk will come off easier. So I think the last time I did this hello, it bled right there. Must be something in the screen. All right, I don't think I'll be using black again for a while. So I'll put that in the water. It's looking cute so far. Right there's my little, I might take my little Q-tip I was talking about and just clean that up. Oh, in the meantime, let's put my finger on that. And oh my gosh. Oh well, it'll make it look worn, I guess. There you go. Okay, now let's let that dry and we'll put the typewriter on. What transfer is a hello from? I think it's called Hello. There's, I think it's, and it may be retired now. It's called Hello There, and there was like a bunch of different hellos in it. You can see them, like 4 different hellos. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, I don't think they are available anymore. You can look, if you're a designer, you can look to see if, or on any, even the shopping website. If you type in hello there in the search, if it's still available, it will come up. All right, now, we're going to trim that off later. Let's put the typewriter on. This was this month's Club Couture, so this is only available to my club members and other Chalk Couture designers. So if you join the club, which is $19.99 a month, free shipping, every month you get a brand new transfer that is exclusive to, like I said, the club members or designers. And you get 3 paste packets to create with. So that's a fun way to learn how to chalk or to start chalking. And if you join now, your subscription starts next month. But if this is still available, you'll have the option to buy this at today if you would join. You usually are given the chance to buy the current transfer of the month when you sign up. And you can do all that on Odessa Rose Creates. So chalkcouture.com/Odessa Rose. Go to the website, you'll see the tabs, and you can click on Club Couture. Everyone loves this one. Okay, like I said, I'm going to put not all of it on. Kind of having, but I slightly, I don't know if I want to be able to get this sheet of paper on. Let's see here. And then I want to be able to leave room for my tag to hang down. So it's all about placement, right? They all kind of overlap a little bit of each, which is fine. So this is probably going to hang like right in here. Good day, hi, hello. I still think I want it up just a little bit more. Okay, so the typewriter, the sides of the typewriter, I'm going to do in the brick color, and the key area, maybe I'll get the almond out, the off-white, and then I'm going to put a little bit of gold up in this area where the keys are. Maybe these are the keys and these are the strikers. I don't know what they call them. I don't remember. Don't remember. Hi, Janice. That's gotten thick. All right. Now that I think about it, I don't know if I've prepped all my chalk paste. It's kind of lumpy, but it'll still chalk on. And my brick. Brick is the color I used to have, and I continue to make it with red and bark. The bark is the brown color. So it's kind of a dirty reddish brown. Reddish brown, more like a brownish red, I should say. Like that, and oh, what's it gonna do with this color? Maybe originally I was going to put it down here. I might not need this color. Okay. Let's do a little paste and pull. I'm going to come up here and put the top of my paper in the almond. And then come down with the red and the gold. These 3 colors is what I need to work with, so. I last typewriter I did was in black, so black and gold, so it's easy to say you want to use black, but you can't on a blackboard. So the typing will be in white, off-white. Peel that up so it doesn't dry in my screen. Okay. I think put this in the red. Gold. I guess I want this in gold and red. Just went over my paper. Okay, back to gold. Of course, it would have been easier just to do it all in one color, but you know, I can't make it that simple. I bet we've all typed on a typewriter similar to this. If you're probably older than 50 maybe. Okay. Now I'm going to put almond in here and then red on the outside, I believe. Remember those typewriters that had a carrying case and they kind of were two-toned? Color on the outside and then kind of white on the inside. That's what I envisioned in my head anyway. It's like the typewriters came in a carrying case, and the hair dryer thing with the big tube and the thing that went over your hair and you turned it on and dried your hair. I don't think I ever used it unless we did it at Grandma's house just for fun. But I remember people had those. Hi, Anita. Okay. Making the outside red. Brick red. go over it and touch up where I want more red right there, and then I kind of got red on my paper, but it looks pretty good. And just bringing in this color right up here in the corner. So now we need to make our other little tag to hang. Oh, we got to put hi on here. Make our other little tag, and we'll be pretty much done. Let me dry this. Maybe I'll do the high in that eucalyptus color. Or the gray. Maybe I'll just do it in the gray. Hi, Gail. Looks cool. It's coming. There's a few more things to do. I guess that would be in here. Hi. Put that right there. We're going to use that storm again. Here it is. On the high. Right, and that's kind of it for the board. Now we're going to work on that tag, and we're going to put good day on it. So we have 3 different greetings. I got this is from an older transfer. Today is a good day for a good day, and I'm going to put good and then day. Put this day underneath it, and then I want to find something in here to put on there. It would have been really great if this good was going this direction, so I could have done good day, but it's not. So, and I'm not going to reposition all the letters. We'll find something. I have some really fun little teeny transfer pieces from a couple years ago. Here, like there's a little mini tag. There's like a clover. What else? There's like a hand. Which this I can find it. That might be cool. It's a hand pointing. I can find it. Oh, it's really big. I don't know, it might look kind of weird. I'm gonna find something. It might just end up being a star. I don't really want to do a heart because I don't want it too feminine. Not that hearts are always just feminine, but they are kind of. This is gonna be hard. These transfers are super sticky. The older ones. So. Oh dear. Could be in trouble. This is not working very well. It'll work, but I'm getting picky in how I want it lined up. It's getting too high. And too high on this side. I need to change my angle. There, that looks better. Okay. And probably better do it in black. That'll probably show up the best on the brown. Make sure you can see. Good. Now we gotta put day underneath it. I could just put a couple little patterns. I gotta think of we have a cute little polka dot, like do a ribbon of it there and a ribbon of it there. That might look kind of cute. But I'm thinking, let's do this the same way. See if we can align it right. Gonna call it good. Pan's getting kind of full over here. Actually, looks kind of cool. Even some of the paste picked up on the back of that transfer, but it makes it look really more vintage. So that's kind of cool. Now let's find. I'm gonna try to find something quick. I could do this one. I had in mind something else. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Although this will work. We'll just use the herringbone and run it. We'll run it that way. Why am I rolling my chair over? Transfers. Okay. I'm going to wax it so it doesn't pick up any more of the black on it. And then we'll be pretty much done. I'm going to put a little herringbone on here. And then this will help keep the ink or the chalk paste stuck to the board and not to my transfer. That's why I'm waxing that. And then let's take a little bit. I'm gonna have to do 2 strips of it. I'm just gonna block off, you know, make an edge. Of course, now that I got wax on there, my tape doesn't want to stick. You see what I'm doing? I'm just masking off the good day. I'm going to lay this over it and chalk the rest in this herringbone. So I'm lining up line it up so it's centered, the pattern. We'll do it on the top and we'll do it on the bottom. Okay, I think we got it. It's kind of fun. Let's see. Cute hanging up here. I mean, really, how cute is that gonna be? I'll probably actually glue it so it sticks to this angle because I like it like that. So I'm gonna touch up some of these places that I want, like I want the red to come up here. So I'm gonna fix that a little bit. I'll clean off my transfer and fix it. But then I'm going to attach this up here, probably glue it in place, and then figure out, I'll probably just do more like a twine, very not too frilly of a ribbon on it, but I'm going to put some kind of ribbon on it. But it looks pretty cute. I kind of like it. All right, guys. That's my little project for this morning, late morning, lunchtime, whatever. Thanks for chalking with me, and go check out my VIP page if you're not a designer, or if you're not in my VIP group, shoot me a message or ask to join, and I'll get you on there. Thank you, Vicky. So I think this turned out cute. This is cuter than what was originally on this board that I did at Christmas time, almost 2 years ago. So I washed it all off and redesigned it with our adorable hi, hello, and good day. Wishing you all that today. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.